Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you step by step how we can easily use a whiteboard view. So the first thing you want to do is just click here plus when you're going to be in Clickup, then find a whiteboard, a page view, and click on it. Here you have options to add it as a private view or pin view, or just simply go add view. So I'll click add view, and here we go. Now I'm going to show you how you can use it and what you can do here. Now create a whiteboard, so pick your templates to help you get started quickly with whiteboards, or start from scratch and create anything that you can imagine. So you can go with stand up, you can go retrospective, brainstorming, side note pack, animal drawing, battle. Now I'm going to start from scratch, but I just wanted to show you like what kind of templates you have here. So we are going together from scratch, and then we are going to learn everything there. So I'll click start from scratch, and what we can do here. Now in a moment, this is how you can easily, when you're gonna press mouse 1 and just take it, you would be able to grab all objects in the whiteboard. Now this is the select, move. The next one is Clickup cards. So let's say with Clickup cards that you can easily add tasks. If you have list docs, you can easily add them to whiteboard on Clickup. So let's say this is a YouTube with fellow YouTubers, and I want to add it right here, right? So this is how we have it. So when I can do again plus here and business, and we are going to have these two tasks here. Now then I can draw. Simply you can choose the size of a pen, and then you have option to choose a color. So I can go with the red. So I can also choose a yellow, right? And this is pretty much it how you can draw. Now then you have options to add shapes. So in the moment when you're gonna click a shape, you're gonna see like what you can create here. Then when you create a shape, you have option to change the color of the shape. And what you can do is to simply make it smaller and bigger, and you're always gonna see the pixels. You can turn it into heading 4, and change the text to whatever you want. So when you would write here, like this, you can easily do that. So let's say circle, and we can go to the middle. Now what you can do with the text, you can turn it into, we will get to it, but here you can edit also the text, and I will show you what you can do with the text. When again you would click on a circle, you can convert it, and you can easily convert it to a task, or you can convert it to the text or a different object. So that's pretty cool how you can play around with it, and this is really effective. Then 3 dots, you can bring forward, bring front, or you can like click plus here and add a new circle, and I can click here, and now you have option also to change the arrows, the connecting between. So I can go here and like change if it's going to be like this or this kind of, you know. So this is pretty much it how you can do it. And you can add the text also for the connection, and you can change also the color. So this is pretty much it how we can work with objects. Now when you go even further, what you can do, you can have sticky notes. And sticky notes again are pretty simple. You can change the color of sticky notes, and you can simply add a text. This is a text for sticky note. Okay, you can also get slash and have a comment that you can use. So that's something you can do. Now when I have the sticky note, I can simply click on a sticky note again, and add a new one, you're always gonna see that you can center it, and I can change the color of the sticky note. So this is pretty much it, how you can use the sticky notes. To like the frame it is when I would click here, and you can change the colors everywhere, right? You can combine it, and then you can move it. See? And what you can do is to simply group it. So in the moment when you would like choose a multiple ones, you can click group, and in a moment I can move it all. So that's pretty cool. Now when you go even further and with the sticky note, I can simply click text and add a text here. So in the text you can change what kind of text it's going to be. Then you can make it bold, italic, you can underline it, you can have a front color and have the text highlights, text colors here. So let's say it's going to be like this. See? You can make also like the color inside changed. You can change the alignment, and you can change also if it's going to be the bolts, or if it's going to be number, or just bulleted list. Now you can link it, and that's pretty much it. Now when you're gonna have also, guys, this thing here, you can simply open it, the task if you want. Now what you can do also is to connectors. So let's say I can add a connector like this to show you. So see, like this, you can easily connect it, and like this. Pretty cool, right? So this is how you can create connections. Pretty easy. Now if you're gonna have any questions, guys, regards this, let me down below in this comment a question. Then you have also option to add a mind map. So this is the beginning of the mind map. You can change the color, you can change how it's going to be, you can have the text, change the bold, so you can have mind map, and I can simply click here plus, 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 and let's see, you can like plus here. And this is pretty simple what you can do here, but with the whiteboard you can move here like this, and that's pretty straightforward. Like click here and then just click plus here, and you can align it. So mind map, first question, so this is pretty much it. Now when you go further, you can use the templates, as I mentioned. Like oh my god, what happened here? You can use multiple templates. So when I again click templates, see, here you got it. Zooming out, zooming in is pretty simple. You just press Ctrl and you zoom in, and you using scroll. So just Ctrl and you're zooming and zooming out. So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. Now when you go further, you can have the website cards, and you can upload the files here. Now on the top right, you're gonna find fit to screen with everything, and this is pretty much it, how you can use it. Now if you're gonna have any questions, guys, regards ClickUp, or something wasn't really like easy to understand, let me down below in the comments, and I hope you're going to have a great day. And yeah, see ya and goodbye.